Hi, everybody. Welcome to our channel. The Essential Travel Tips, our destination for you today. It's the top 20 cruise travel tips for 2025. Cruise travel is an exciting and unique way to explore the world, combining the luxury of a floating resort with the adventure of discovering new destinations. Whether you're seeking relaxation, exploration, or a blend of both, cruises offer something for every type of traveler. From the moment you step aboard, you're transported into a world of endless amenities, spacious staterooms, world-class dining, entertainment, and unparalleled service. What makes cruising especially appealing is the ability to visit multiple destinations, often in different countries, without the hassle of constantly packing and unpacking. With each port stop, you have the opportunity to explore unique cultures, indulge in local cuisine, and embark on thrilling excursions, all while enjoying the comfort of your floating hotel. Cruise ships come in all shapes and sizes, from massive, activity-packed vessels with water slides, theaters, and fine dining options to more intimate, boutique-style ships that offer a more personal experience. No matter your preference, a cruise offers a seamless blend of adventure, relaxation, and entertainment. Perfect for solo travelers, couples, families, or groups of friends, cruises cater to a wide range of interests, from wellness and spa treatments to high-energy onboard activities. All you need to do is board, unpack once, and let the journey unfold. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-time adventurer, a cruise is an unforgettable way to experience the world from a fresh, stunning perspective. Here's your top 20 cruise travel tips for 2025. 1. Research your cruise line and ship. Why it's important. Each cruise line has its own atmosphere. For example, Royal Caribbean focuses on family-friendly experiences, while Celebrity Cruises tends to attract an upscale crowd. Some ships are packed with entertainment options, while others focus on relaxation and wellness. Consider the type of vacation experience you want and research to make sure your cruise aligns with your expectations. 2. Book early for the best deals. Why it's important. Cruise lines offer better pricing, cabin selection, and sometimes even additional perks when you book far in advance. Early booking also allows you to lock in lower prices and avoid price hikes as the departure date nears. Additionally, booking early may also give you access to exclusive promotions or packages, such as discounted shore excursions or onboard credits. 3. Download the cruise line's app. Why it's important. With a cruise-specific app, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. You can view the daily itinerary, make dinner reservations, check for event updates, and find your cabin location. Some apps allow you to chat with fellow passengers or the crew, and many offer interactive maps to help you navigate the ship. 4. Pack smart for every climate. Why it's important. Cruise itineraries often involve multiple destinations with varying climates. For instance, you may visit a tropical island one day and a cooler port the next. Packing layers and versatile clothing ensures you're comfortable no matter what. Be sure to pack swimwear, sunscreen, and light clothing for beach days, but also consider formal attire for dinners and excursions in cooler climates. 5. Bring a power strip or charging hub. Why it's important. Many cabins have only a couple of outlets, which might not be enough to power your devices. A power strip or charging hub will keep your electronics charged without having to fight over outlets. However, make sure the power strip is cruise-approved. 6. Opt for a balcony room. Why it's important. Balcony rooms provide not only stunning views, but also an additional private space where you can relax, have breakfast, or enjoy a sunset. It's also great for those who prefer some quiet time, as the balcony offers a retreat from the bustling ship. Plus, it allows for more natural light and fresh air. 7. Don't forget your Sea Pass card. Why it's important. Your Sea Pass or cruise card is your onboard identification and payment method. You use it to unlock your room, make purchases, and gain access to special areas. Treat it like your key and wallet, and always have it with you. 8. Consider travel insurance. Why it's important. Cruises are a large investment, and unforeseen events like illness, bad weather, or missed connections could impact your travel plans. Travel insurance can cover things like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage, giving you peace of mind during your vacation. 9. Pre-book shore excursions. Why it's important. Popular excursions like scuba diving, zip lining, or cultural tours tend to sell out quickly, especially if you're cruising during peak seasons. Booking excursions in advance guarantees you'll get your top choice, and you won't have to waste time figuring out what to do when you arrive at port. 10. Plan for extra costs. Why it's important. While your cruise fare covers accommodation, meals, and some activities, there are often additional costs. Specialty dining, excursions, alcohol, gratuities, and spa treatments are not usually included in your package. Budgeting for these costs will help you avoid any surprises. 11. Stay hydrated. Why it's important. Cruises often involve lots of walking, especially during port days and excursions. Plus, you'll be exposed to sun and salty air. All of this can cause dehydration, so make sure you drink enough water. Most ships provide free water stations or bottles of water in your cabin, so fill up regularly. 12. Check the dress code. Why it's important. Many cruise lines have dress codes, especially for formal nights or certain restaurants. You might need a suit or a cocktail dress for dinner in specialty dining rooms or elegant evenings. Knowing the dress code ensures you pack appropriately and don't miss out on special events or dining experiences. 13. Attend the muster drill. Why it's important. The muster drill is a mandatory safety procedure that teaches you what to do in case of an emergency. It's required by law, so make sure you attend it. Pay attention to life jacket instructions, escape routes, and your assigned lifeboat station. It only takes about 30 minutes, and it's essential for your safety. 14. Use the cruise line's Wi-Fi sparingly. Why it's important. Wi-Fi on cruise ships can be spotty and expensive. If you want to check in with family, post a few pictures, or check email, it can be worth it. However, unless absolutely necessary, limit your internet usage to save money and avoid frustration. 15. Pack seasickness remedies. Why it's important. Even if you've never experienced seasickness, it's better to be prepared. Seasickness can affect anyone, regardless of their experience with cruises. Medications like Dramamine, ginger tablets, or acupressure bands are all good preventative measures. Some ships also provide motion sickness remedies upon request. 16. Get to know the crew. Why it's important. A friendly relationship with a crew can enhance your experience. The crew is there to help you, and forming a rapport can lead to personalized service. For example, they might reserve a special table for you at dinner, recommend activities, or make sure your needs are met. 17. Take advantage of the spa and fitness center. Why it's important. Cruise ships have world-class spas and fitness centers that can offer relaxation and rejuvenation during your trip. From deep tissue massages to yoga classes and saunas, these facilities can help you unwind. Booking a spa treatment early also helps avoid last-minute availability issues. 18. Join the loyalty program. Why it's important. Many cruise lines offer loyalty programs that reward repeat passengers with discounts, priority boarding, complimentary upgrades, and even exclusive events. If you're planning more cruises, signing up for the program can offer long-term benefits. 19. Take photos early. Why it's important. Professional photographers will take pictures of you in key locations. If you wait until the end of your cruise to review the photos, they may already be sold out. It's best to check early to make sure you get your hands on those treasured memories. 20. Follow COVID-19 guidelines. Why it's important. Although many cruise lines have relaxed pandemic-related restrictions, some may still have health protocols in place for 2025. Check the guidelines for testing, vaccination requirements, and mask policies. Adhering to these rules helps keep everyone safe and ensures smooth sailing. Have a nice trip.